What is a business incubator? Well, generally, a business incubator seeks to provide resources to an outside business in order to help that business grow or succeed. Generally, these are only open to startup ventures or growth-based ventures, but there are similarities in other forms of business assistance entities that seek to promote social ventures or even small lifestyle or family style businesses. But generally, the resources that an incubator provides to a startup includes things like coaching, which is coaching on the process for growing the venture. Connections, these are generally connections within the industry in which the business is operating. Professional services like legal services to help with any legal matters or transactional matters, accounting services, and things of that nature. And then lastly, oftentimes they give them access to funding. That is, they can connect them with either lenders to make business loans or investors or investment groups, such as angel investors, angel investment groups, or venture capital groups. Now, generally, in exchange for these services, the incubator will either receive some percentage of ownership in the incubated business, or they will earn the opportunity to invest in the business at a predetermined calculation. That is, they'll receive a specific ownership interest for a set amount of investment. And again, this is very valuable not only to the business to receive some level of seed level or early stage funding, but also gives the incubating business the opportunity to purchase an interest in a business that could later be extremely successful, and thereby that interest becoming valuable at a future date. Now, oftentimes incubators are either in residence or non-resident. An in-resident incubator would mean that the business is housed inside of wherever the incubator is located. They'll have a physical facility and provide office space or at least desks and working space to the business venture. In other scenarios, it's non-resident, where they'll have a location oftentimes where businesses can come and use the facilities, such as conference rooms or meeting rooms, things like that, or even workspace, but they will not be located for purposes of legal registration within that location. They'll have a separate location, or perhaps have no location. They're remote in nature, or all the employees are remote and they simply work remotely and report whenever necessary to this in-resident location. So these are generally the characteristics under which an incubator operates and the benefits and value that it provides to startup ventures.